Hello, beautiful souls. Are you ready for a hair transformation that will turn heads? Do you crave a mane that not only looks fabulous but feels healthy and nourished too? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to help you understand the reasons behind hair transformation and how to achieve it using simple, effective techniques. So buckle up and get ready for a hair journey that's going to change your life. Stay tuned. Is it time to change up your hair routine? Hair transformation can be prompted by several factors: hormonal shifts, aging, stress, environmental changes, dietary habits, or hair care practices. If your tresses have lost their shine or become unmanageable, it's time for a change. We'll delve into why hair transformation is key and how a new regimen can work wonders. Are you ready to embrace the change? Ever wondered why you might need a hair transformation? This pondering is more common than you might think. In fact, the need for a hair transformation often stems from a myriad of factors that impact your hair's health and appearance. This might seem overwhelming, but it's simply a part of life. One of the primary reasons people consider transforming their locks stems from hormonal fluctuations. These hormonal changes can occur during significant life transitions like adolescence, pregnancy, menopause, or other health-related conditions. Each of these events can cause unexpected shift in your hair's growth patterns and overall texture. As we journey through life, age inevitably impacts our hair texture and color. This is due to decrease in melanin production by our hair follicles. The resulting reduction in melanin often leads to hair graying, while texture could either become thinner or rougher, depending upon individual genetic factors. Moreover, environmental factors play a pivotal role in affecting your hair health. Exposure to sunlight, wind, humidity, and pollution can influence hair's texture and health significantly. These factors can cause dryness, brittleness, and an overall reduction in your hair's health. All these external factors have a cumulative effect over time, leading to noticeable changes in your hair's texture and health. It's important to understand that these factors are not universal. They vary greatly from person to person. This variation contributes to the evolving texture of our hair throughout life. With these factors in mind, the next time you notice changes in your hair, don't panic. It's quite common and a great reason to consider a hair transformation on understanding your hair's needs and addressing them effectively. Apply a generous amount of conditioner to your damp hair, focusing on the ends where the hair to be drier. This step is vital in the transformation journey. After shampooing, your hair is ready to absorb the benefits that conditioner offers. It smooths down the hair-boosting shine and improving manageability. Consider it a mini spa treatment for your hair. The trick is to allow the conditioner time to work. Let it sit for a few minutes, enabling your hair to soak up the moisture and nutrients. Use warm water to rinse the conditioner out. You want to ensure that all the conditioner is washed out to avoid product buildup. A thorough rinse keeps your hair light, fresh, and ready for styling. This step locks in moisture and nutrients. You will appreciate this nourishing treat. If your hair craves more moisture, reach for some aloe vera gel or juice. This natural powerhouse is known for its hydrating properties, making it a fantastic addition to your hair care routine. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins and minerals that work wonders on your hair, replenishing moisture to dry and thirsty strands. Applying a bit of aloe vera to the dry areas of your hair or using it to refresh your curls is an effective way to hydrate. After satisfying your hair's thirst with aloe vera, it's time to style it to perfection with hair gel and argan oil. Hair gel is excellent for creating hold and boosting shine. Argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is perfect for controlling frizz, adding gloss to your hair. A few drops can transform your locks from dull and frizzy to smooth and shiny, leaving your hair looking sleek and polished. Remember, the journey to beautiful hair isn't about quick fixes. It's about finding and sticking to a routine that works for you. With the right products and a little bit of patience, you can embrace your natural beauty. So grab that aloe vera, style with some hair gel, and end with argan oil. Your hair will thank you. And that's a wrap, beautiful souls. Today we've delved deep into the world of hair transformation. We've understood why our hair needs a transformation, nourished it with conditioning, and quenched its thirst with aloe vera. We've even learned how to style our hair using a gel and argan oil for that sleek, polished finish. Now, it's your turn to embrace this routine and experience the magic. Remember all these steps and try them out for yourself. It's time to give your hair the love and care it deserves. And if you found this video helpful or have any suggestions or experiences to share, do comment below. We'd love to hear your hair transformation stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips. Your support helps us create more content for your hair care journey. And remember, your hair is your crown. Wear it proudly. Until next time, keep shining.